Most MOS100 microbial air samplers from MBV use rechargeable lithium-ion packs. The only exception is the MOS100 Eco, which uses two rechargeable batteries, and MOS100 Regulus digital anemometer, which is used for calibrating all the other microbial air samplers. The Regulus uses one standard non-rechargeable battery, which must be exchanged once it went flat. But where's this battery and how to exchange it? Here's the trick. Hello, I'm Roland from MBV. The MOS100 Regulus is powered by one standard non-rechargeable 9-volt battery. Under normal usage, this will last for the recommended calibration interval of 1 year. But with very intensive usage, Regulus will show a battery almost empty warning. Then it's time to replace it, and this is how it's done. The battery is located under the base plate of the MOS100 Regulus. Use a perforated lid of any MOS100 microbial air sampler to access the battery compartment. Turn counterclockwise until you can remove the base plate. Open the battery retainer and pull the battery out of its compartment. Unplug it from the connector and replace it with the new battery. The MOS100 Regulus is equipped with a secondary battery that will keep calibration data, time and usage counters stored for at least 8 hours, even if the main battery is removed. You will not run out of power if you bring a spare battery which fits into the transportation case of Regulus. The correct 9-volt batteries are available from your supplier of MOS100 Regulus or from any supplier of standard batteries. Do you like what you saw? Hit the like button and follow us on mbv.ch.